Good morning and welcome to another watch list video brought to you by FTX. If you don't have an FTX account, then feel free to use the link in the description below and you'll receive 10% off your trading fees. Alright, I think it's going to be a bit of a quick video today. I know I said it's a watch list video, normally they are a watch list video. But after two quick scans this morning, I don't really have anything in my watch list to keep an eye on. The market has tanked, really. I shouldn't say tanked, it's sold off, right? Putting us, we've got no trends really. So I'll just go through the top 10 and let's see what we've got. Throughout this video, if you do have any questions, feel free to throw them in the questions box and I'll do my best to answer them. G'day Ray, how are you? Yeah, so I've been away for the last 2 days, been a bit ill, so I've needed, spent some time away from the charts, which has been good, but yesterday it looked like we had some selling off, which can be called a bull trap, I think it's called, where if we'll have a little bit lower and we'll see what we've got. So yeah, we're stuck in this range, right? Support here, resistance here, bouncing around. We saw that the day, was it Tuesday, the 30th, where we broke out of that ranging area to the upside. We broke through with quite some strength. That's a bit of a statement candle there. So that would have been a signal for some people to take long positions. Sometimes margin long positions, and what we've seen now is they've been in profit and then bang, straight back down into the red, back into this range. I think this just means it's important to wait for more signals for a trend reversal. Yeah, we've got the MACD that was looking quite bullish. The price action, yeah, we did break out, but what we were hoping for was a pullback onto this resistance level. A nice bullish daily candle there, and these moving averages to get in the right order as well. So we didn't get that. So I know I didn't take any long trades. I'm pretty sure Craig didn't either. So we're waiting for a little bit more confirmation. We didn't get that, and we've just sort of faked out, and bang, we're back down into this ranging position. So that sort of ruined any trends to the upside or the downside for us. So I think it's just a waiting game now on Bitcoin. Ethereum, much the same. We did see some buying, nice bullish bearish candle in the daily. MACD didn't like it though, so there was no trade there. If we have a look lower, the 4, look at that. There's just no trend there. It's chop. It's another sign that the market is super confused right now, and there's no trades. BNB, much the same. A bit of a choppy daily trend. There's a lot more work to do before there's going to be any trades there. Good morning from the Philippines. It's awesome. Yeah, so XRP again, look at that overall daily choppiness trend. The 4 hour, same thing. Looked like there was some buying coming in and then bang, just reversed. So we're not trying to catch the bottom in these trades, right? We're not trying to catch the bottom. We're not looking for any early sign of some buying coming into the market and then thinking, all right, this bear market's over, we're going long, and then going all in and taking long positions, because most of the time it just reverses like this. And if you're thinking yep, I'm going to go all in, this is the bottom, I'm jumping in, taking margin trades to the long side, then most of the time institutional money is thinking, all right, if I sell, we'll catch these people out, liquidate their positions, and then they buy. It's happened historically, and that's generally what does happen. If you look through the charts on Bitcoin back when we were at the bottom, we see a massive sell-off before we see some buying come back in. ADA is still not looking too bad. We do have that higher high there. We need that solid higher low forming. Unfortunately, there's nothing there for us at the moment, but it's one of the better looking ones out of the top 10. Solana, still looking quite bearish. The MACD doesn't like it though. 4 hour, yeah, nothing there, just more selling off. Doge, grab walking sideways, the 4 hour is the same, just a mess. Dot, the same. Tron. Now Tron's one that that most of the market did see some selling off. Tron didn't really do that, did it? Sort of saw some buying and some selling. Bit of a trend there, but it's a pretty ugly trend, and I wouldn't be too confident trading to the long side on one token when the majority of the tokens are going the opposite direction. So yeah, Tron is an odd one. And that's it for the top 10. So yeah, I think it's hand warming time, really. It's time to sit on our hands, keep watching the charts, and we'll see what happens. But for the time being, as far as Bitcoin's concerned, we need to break out of this range again, and we need confirmation, whether it is to the downside. We want something like this, break out, test. That's where I'd be looking for shorts. We need a bit more of a trend leading up to that, but a break and retest of that level just to confirm that we are out of that level before moving down. Or to the upside, like we saw before, we kind of needed this, a nice bullish candle on that level before moving higher. We didn't get that. We've just sort of gone up and broken back through. So yeah, it's time to wait and see what the markets bring us. But thanks for tuning in. Unfortunately, it's not a watch list video. We don't have anything to keep an eye on, but sometimes that's a good thing. Time for more coffee. Yeah, that's right, Ash. That is right. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll chat to you guys soon.